Hey guys, what's going on? I am Louis Profits, and today is another crypto video which I haven't done in a very long time. I'm sorry about that. I've been really focused on eBay and drop shipping. So if you're interested in those kind of videos as well, make sure you go check out my channel as I do a mix between eBay, drop shipping, and also cryptocurrencies, and also just tips where you can save a lot of money. But yeah, let's get straight into the video here.
Whilst editing this video, I realized I made a mistake and I didn't mention something that's very important at the beginning of this video. So if you do want to use this platform that I'm showing in this video, then you can get a free $25 if you use it. If you just use the link in the description and a pinned comment, then you'll be able to get a free $25. And yes, I thought it'd be really interesting for you guys.
So as you can see by the page I'm on right now, we're doing a video on Nexo.io, which I've already done a video on it, but I haven't gone in depth into Nexo.io. I use this every single day, and I'll get into why as well. So if we just log into my account really quickly, and I'll show you everything. So the first thing I want to talk about is the credit line here. You can do really good loans, and I'm going to explain why this is so good as well. And you only need to be loyalty level base. You don't have to be platinum, but I'll explain all those benefits as well. So let's say you put in $100, you're going to get a third of that, which is $25 around that. So you'll get $25 you can now take out in credit. And what you can do with that credit is then you can put it in anything else. You can stake it. You can do what you want with it. You've got that credit there, extra money, and you can do what you want with that. But of course, there's risk that there's a API you got to pay back and everything like that. And that's where upgrading comes into play. So as you see here, you've got your base, you've got your silver, you've got your gold, you've got your platinum, and each one has better and better rewards. So what you got to do is, for example, to have silver, you've got to have 1 to 5% of your entire Nexo portfolio to be having the Nexo token. So if you have the Nexo token, which takes up 1 to 5% of your portfolio, you will then be a silver member. With gold, you need to have 5 to 10% of Nexo in your portfolio, and for platinum, you need to be above 10% of your Nexo is in your portfolio. So let's say you have $100 on there. You need to have at least $15 in Nexo out of that portfolio, and you'll be able to have platinum. And by having and that's not really a hard thing to do at the end of the day, is it? Even if you got thousands in, it's all relative. Put 100 in platinum, and then you got 900 there to do what you want with, and you could take out a loan there, and then you would only be paying 6.9% of an interest rate, which is insane. Even 13.9% is better than most loan places you can go that aren't cryptocurrency. You'll be paying 24%, 29% in some places, but no, the maximum you'll be paying is 14%, which is really good, and their loan is so good as well. If you're accepted for Nexo, you'll be accepted for the loan. Simple as that. So let's now talk about the benefits here, which are even better. So I did a video on earn 20% on your stablecoins, which is, I've done a video on that already. That's where this comes in, but I'm going to go more in depth. So with platinum, you're getting 10% on your stablecoins. 10% on a stablecoin. Think about that. With a bank, you'll be getting 0.1% a year, but no, with Nexo, you're getting 10% on your stablecoins a year. So there's no point having a bank balance at this point. You've got to remember this is centralized as well. So if the exchange gets hacked, you'll be reimbursed. So it's fully safe. It's safer than a bank, in my opinion. If I would put all of my money in my bank account onto here if I was platinum, but even as the lowest, you're still getting 8%, which is still good. But you can earn up to 14%, I believe it is, on USDC, or is it 17%? It might be 17%. But you can earn a hell of a lot of money just from holding a stable coin. If you had all of your money in a stable coin and you were platinum last year, for the whole year, you put your bank balance in there, everything you spent in there, you would have beaten inflation without having to invest anything with an extra 4%. That is crazy to think about. Without having doing anything, you're beating inflation. And inflation is only going to get worse, so this is a real bonus here. And also, let me talk about this here, right? If your base model, you're only meant to get one free withdrawal a month. I found this very different. I've done 3 in a row in 3 different days, 3 different transactions withdrawed every single time they just paid for it. Every time. I've never ever paid fees on Nexo. So I'm not sure about this. Either my account is bugged, which I shouldn't really be saying here because they might fix it, or that's just how it is and this just isn't true here. I don't know which one it is, because it's definitely more than one free crypto withdrawal per month, for me anyway. As you should go with what the website states. If you're going into this making an account and you're expecting more than one free withdrawal a month, don't do it. But with me, that's just how it is. I get way more than one, and as you can see, I am base as of right now. Just to show you, I do actually use it. And look, days apart. As you can see here, February 23rd, February 24th, Does it show me the fees? Zero fees, zero fees. I've never, ever, ever, ever paid fees. Zero fees, zero fees. I never ever 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 pay fees when I use this. So it really is a positive, and there's so many coins you could be earning APR or APY on, which is insane. So if I just want to go back to the stablecoin bit, so if I show you stablecoin here, that's it, not 14%. You can earn up to 12% if you're platinum. Do you know how, that's double inflation? So I think I'm pretty sure it was 6% last year in the US. 6% inflation. So you will then pay off that 6% inflation, so you'll have the same amount of money as you usually would have done if inflation didn't happen, but then you'll get an extra 6%, so you're getting the opposite of inflation. You're gaining off inflation from this. It's thinking about it like that is insane. And if you don't want to put it in a crypto type of stablecoin like USDC, no worries. Put it in GBP, put it in Euro, put it in USD, and you're earning your 12%. And have I mentioned the best bit yet? No, I haven't. The best bit is you get paid your rewards every single day, which really is insane. And you're probably wondering, is this video sponsored? It generally isn't sponsored. I just want to show you something that I actually use all the time because it really, really is amazing. I personally don't use it to stake. As I like to use risky, decentralized platforms, risk getting rugged, but I just like the risk there, because you're earning more. But if you're smart, not like me, then you would be using this as you'll be getting more money, and it's just smarter to be using something like this, as you know you're safe. And there's not many other projects out there that give you these type of APYs on a stablecoin. And Bitcoin as well, 8% on Bitcoin. That's so good, 8% on Bitcoin. And obviously, if you were looking to get your platinum level on here, or even silver or gold, any of them, that isn't the base model, you could just put whatever you put in your. So let's say you have platinum, you have to put 10% of your portfolio into Nexo. That whole Nexo portfolio you've got, you could just stake that and earn a 12% a year extra, whilst it appreciates. Like if you bought now, it would have, within a year it would have appreciated, because I'm assuming we're not still going to be in a bear market in a year. So it's a good opportunity, really. This whole platform, there's so many things you can use to make yourself some money with. You can borrow, and then you can put it onto, if you want to do this, you can put it on a dodgy platform, not dodgy, just decentralized platform, a farm or something like that. You can put the amount you borrowed into there, earn money on that, and then pay it back, and then you've got extra money from doing that as well. It's a little thing you could do. I know a few friends that have been doing that. I personally wouldn't do that, it's too risky for me, but I don't borrow money, I just don't do it. But if you were looking to do that, you could do it. If you created a nice little strategy, you could make some money there. So that is the end of the video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then I really, really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.